Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make KFC Potato Wedges. They're a favorite of mine and I hope you enjoy them as well. So we are going to begin with about 2 to 3 pounds of Russet potatoes. Get the small ones, the ones that are 2 to 3 inches long because you don't want giant potato sticks. And then we're going to wash them, scrub them up real good, and then you're going to go ahead and try to cut them into small wedges. Now ideally the wedges should be uniform size, and I like the base, the portion where the skin is, to be about 3/8 of an inch thick. You can change that up just a little bit. The most important trick here is to make sure they're uniform so they'll cook at the same time. So I'm going to soak my potatoes in water, and I like to do this because it knocks off the starch that can turn the potatoes brown, and it helps the final product have a really gorgeous color. Time to make the seasoned flour. I have about 2.5 teaspoons of seasoned flour, a teaspoon of paprika, some ground black pepper, and some onion powder going into 2 cups of flour. Directions are down at the bottom, so don't worry, the recipe is written out for you already. So just mix up this seasoned flour, and then we're going to batter them first in the flour. Now the other mixture is 1 egg yolk and 1.5 cups of milk that I've just whisked together. This is what's going to help add the caking agent to help this batter stick really nicely. Buttermilk is too thick. This was just right. Okay, so we're going to go flour, the egg mixture, and then back to the flour. And you want to try to do this the best that you can. This is a messy process, but you know what? These potatoes are going to be really flavorful and crispy. So I like to put anything when I'm battering them onto a baking sheet with a wire rack on top. And why I like to do this is it helps the batter dry up a little bit and it helps it stick a little bit better. I don't know if you've ever had a hard time deep frying anything, but sometimes when the batter just slides right off, you really didn't give it enough time to cure. So this is something that I always like to do. Always did it when I worked in restaurants. And here's just another picture of me just showing you what it looks like. So this tray we're actually going to take and we're going to deep fry it. We're going to deep fry these potatoes at about 350 degrees. It's going to take about, 5 to 6 minutes. We're going to pull them out and put them back in for another 5 to 6 minutes. We're going to deep fry them twice. And when we get done, we're going to have gorgeous KFC potato wedges. So these are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks.